Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix the volume problem on your INFINIX Note 60. First, adjust call volume by opening the phone app and pressing volume up. Make sure it's maxed out when you see the phone icon. Go to Settings, scroll to Sound and Vibration. In the Volume Adjustment section, adjust media volume by swiping right. Make sure Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. If enabled, the switch will be green with a moon icon. Keep it gray and disabled. Clean the speakers and headphone port using a soft brush for both speaker grills and the USB-C port. Restart your phone to refresh the system. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Tap Restart and confirm. After the restart, as a last resort, update your software to fix audio glitches. Go to Settings, tap on INFINIX Note 60, and check for updates. If your system isn't up to date, install the latest updates. That's important to keep up with the latest version. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If so, leave a like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.